Okay, hello everybody. Here I am in another video to let you know the details about the third submission of our class project. So, welcome everybody. You know that we've been working on different submissions every time. You know the objective, the methodology that we have worked during this semester. Now that you are finishing this stage, I'm going to talk about the third submission in here. Well, basically, it's a video that you have to record in which you deliver the speech that you work on the second submission. Okay, now that you have my feedback and that you have all the instructions about it, you have to record a video and then post it on your blog. Okay, remember that we started by creating a blog this semester, so now we're gonna use that blog again. Okay, you have to upload the video in that personal blog that you created. I'm gonna give you some more recommendations in the next slide, but in this one, important due date. November the 6th is the last day that you can send me this video uh, or post it in Brightspace. Okay, it's important to send me the link through the assignment that I will create in Brightspace. After that, after sending the video or the blog URL again, you have to comment on 3 of your partners' blog. Again, remember that that's the most important thing about these kind of projects is socializing your productions. Now I'm going to talk about those video conditions. The video must include the most important aspects of your degree, in this case, the first and second submissions. It means your face must be on the video all the time. So that's why I selected the previous picture. This one is not for free, okay? I selected intentionally for you to notice the kind of video that I need. I need to see your face all the time during the video, okay? I don't want you to produce this kind of voice off videos or something like that. No, no, no. Please. I need to see you talking. Reading is not allowed during the video. I'm not checking your reading fluency, okay? I'm checking your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency by talking, okay? So, of course, if you read, that's going to be penalized, your score, especially. You must sound as natural as possible. So please rehearse. I always recommend students to practice before recording the final version of the video. Okay, so you can do it a bit better. And the video must last 5 minutes maximum. Okay, 5 minutes maximum. 4 minutes, it would be fantastic. Okay, if you send me 1 or 2 minutes video, well, that's too short for me to get a good overview on your speaking production. So please make it 4 or 5 minutes maximum. If you're working by pairs, well, it could be a little bit longer, but a little bit, okay? 1 or 2 more minutes, no more than 10 minutes videos are accepted. Please don't make it too long. And also including grammar topics, vocabulary, and expressions from the virtual book is highly suggested. Okay, so please make sure to include something regarding the book content in terms of vocabulary or grammar. Again, here, November the 6th, publish the video in your blog, and then you send it to me by Brightspace. Okay, I need you to send me a notification by Brightspace saying, teacher, here is my blog with the video. Okay, well, you know about the waning, it's exactly the same. That's all. Thank you so much. I hope this video is useful for you to know my expectations about the video. So please follow them, follow the recommendations. See you next time.